Welcome back to this number series thing. This is part 3. We are in class 1 section affinities. Let's begin. Number names 201 to 300. 201, the affinity. 202, Verb affinity. 203, Libra affinity. 204, Scorpio affinity. 205, Sagittarius affinity. 206, Capricorn affinity. 207, Aquarius affinity. 208, Pisces affinity. 209, Impredict affinity. 210, Inst affinity. 211, Core affinity. 212, Super affinity. 213, Mej affinity. 214, Gij affinity. 215, Ultra affinity. 216, True affinity. 217, Term affinity. 218, Absolute term affinity. 219, Full term affinity. 220, Omega prosgigram affinity. 221, Omega dash das log dash pearls poemi nt dash prosgegram 222, Psi-finity. 223, Perfinity. 224, Pamphilian digam affinity. 225, Archaic samp affinity. 226, Het affinity. 227, Unixfinity. 228, Existence finity. 229, Ultimate rebirth finity. 230, Ending finity. 231, Never. 232, Everything finity. 233, Endless finity. 234, Always finity. 235, Unreach affinity. 236, Sul affinity. 237, Disaffinity. 238, Tris affinity. 239, Pentaffinity. 240, Aerofinity. 241, Universe affinity. 242, Multiverse affinity. 243, Club affinity. 244, Earth affinity. 245, Arc affinity. 246, Omnicellus affinity. 247, Insider affinity. 248, Medran affinity. 249, Collid affinity. 250, Megastis affinity. 251, Gangetic affinity. 252, God affinity. 253, Singular affinity. 254, Moss infinity. 255, Red affinity. 256, Orange affinity. 257, Yellow affinity. 258, Green affinity. 259, Blue affinity. 260, Purple affinity. 261, Sonnet affinity. 262, Trajan affinity. 263, Tragot affinity. 264, Polyfinity. 265, Polytial affinity. 266, Square affinity. 267, Penti-xfinity. 268, Penti-axolatinity. 269, Hexaxial affinity. 270, Diaffinity. 271, Absolute square affinity. 272, Diamond affinity. 273, Onolicial affinity. 274, Mount affinity. 275, Dimensional affinity. 276, Star affinity. 277, Enful affinity. 278, Swirl affinity. 279, Point affinity. 280, Tim affinity. 281, Cross affinity. 282, One-way affinity. 283, Geometry affinity. 284, Gideon affinity. 285, Oak affinity. 286, endoreumfinity. 287, endophliphinity. 288, nednophinity. 289, voidophinity. 290, bariphofinity. 291, aleoaffinity. 292, phileinfinity. 293, philendlessfinity. 294, philovoidfinity. 295, philianophinity. 296, sidionfinity. 297, theriaffinity. 298, mechoaffinity. 299, venusaffinity. 300, earthaffinity. Okay, that's it. CIA. Next. Bye.